Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get a refund on Pandabuy. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video, shall we? Alright, so I'm on pandabuy.com, the official website. Make sure to log in. And once you have logged in, what you want to do is hover over your user profile and then go to order. And then you'll be in the order section of Pandabuy. So in my case, I don't have any current orders, so I can't refund at the moment, but I'll just show you the process. So click on an order you'd like to get a refund, and then, so if there's an order here, click onto it, and then there'll be an option to cancel order or refund. Click onto that, and then go through the process to get a refund. If there's no such option to get a refund, what you can do is scroll down and then click onto contact us. So I'm going to tap on the contact us. And now you got an email, you got online support here, so you can contact them via online support. But I've noticed you just chat to bots there, so I suggest going to customer support. So send an email to care@pandabuy.com and state which item or product you like to make a full refund. Make sure to add in your email address that you've signed up to Pandabuy, so then they know who's who, and then they'll help you get a refund. Or you can hit up their social media account and speak to someone inside their Discord channel here to help you get a refund. And yeah, that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching.